I hope your day is going well. Mine is going absolutely amazing. So I have this sprouted onion, right, that I got from the farmer's market. I already planted this one here, and we're gonna just test to see how it does over here in the soil. So it's my first time doing this, but we're gonna figure it out. So I'm gonna save these scraps for later. I have a compost bin over here. I'm gonna show you, and the scraps helps you to create nitrogen in your soil. So I've already planted one, so I'm gonna plant this one. So I'm just gonna peel back some of that first layer or a couple layers, so it's kind of, wilted. But when you're growing, it doesn't matter if it's good or not. Just keep it, and new leaves, new fruit will grow. And then that's the root. That's important. That's what binds the dirt to the fruit. So I think that should be good enough. I'll take that off too. I'll go ahead and take another layer off. It's really slimy, and it gets dirty out here in these streets when you're gardening, so don't be afraid. Get your hands dirty. You want to dig. Make sure the root is in the dirt, and you put the dirt around, and then you water. I keep my scraps for later. I have one more to plant. I'm gonna do that real quick, and then I'm gonna head in and get my day started because I have a busy schedule. And I'm excited because it feels good to live life. So you're going to get busy, and you're going to be trampled with to-do lists and schedules and chores. But it's better to be alive than to be in the ground buried 6 feet deep. Alright, here's what we have right here. This is romaine lettuce, and this is right here. This is the collard, and right here is romaine. It's a little dirty, but it's fine. This is how we plant. Planting has dirt everywhere, and you clean it as it grows, so that's okay. Here's what I'm gonna compost. This is what's gonna help create our nitrogen in our soil that we need for our plants to grow nice and even. So I'm gonna walk. And then this is our compost right here. We've got some of the dirt from here, the pile. It's kind of heavy. So we got some of that dirt, and we put the dirt in here, and then all you do is you get your compost and you just throw it in there. Lemon peels, orange peels, banana peels, you just throw it in there. And then I normally get my rake and sift it around, but it's okay to use your hands. Just go like so. Right, top it back. Make sure it's sealed. Because you don't want any wild animals getting in there, because they can smell that food, and you don't want to mess in your garden. You don't want to mess. Yep, that's it. We're gonna see how that goes. Oh, and our loquat tree, right? They're forming flowers. They're budding. Can you see? And it's like 3 or 4 years ago. So this is where the loquats, the dates, they're gonna come from here. This was a little itty bitty thing, and it's growing so well. So I was like, man, are we ever gonna get fruit on this tree? And it's looking like it's coming soon. And that's the collards over there. My husband's section. He likes to, do his own thing. I don't bother him. But we work together. He shows me things that I need to understand. And this is the side where I try my best to do kale and cabbage over here. And I planted some onions too. So we're gonna see how it works. Share, like, subscribe, follow our channel. Sharing is caring, so the more people tune in, the more people we can show about our gardening tips and tools, so they can have a understanding of what they need to do, because a lot of people out there that doesn't know how to farm or garden in the urban community. So we're excited, and thank you for coming by. See you later. Have a great day. Have a great rest of your day.